From the anguish of mother cows comes the milk we drink somehow. Wrought of offspring they endure. For human sake their milk they pour. Live in days of sorrow, forced pregnancies, no tomorrow. In this cycle worn and torn, what hope in a world forlorn? Boundless fields, elusive tales, hidden pain where silence prevails, and the cycle's unseen plight veil truth in a world so light. Live in days of sorrow, forced pregnancies, no tomorrow. In this cycle worn and torn, what hope in a world forlorn? Live in days of sorrow, forced pregnancies, no tomorrow. In this cycle worn and torn, what hope in a world forlorn? Beneath the surface truth remains, hearts in chains, enduring strains. Imagine realms where freedom thrives, a world where hope again revives. Fleeting time, fading tales, for products sold and price impales. In echo silent fields now still, a call for change, a world to fill. Live in days of sorrow, forced pregnancies, no tomorrow, tomorrow. In this cycle worn and torn, what hope in a world forlorn? Boundless thing to choose with care, to share truth, to be aware. Act now, pave the path anew, for a world where hope rings true. Beneath the surface, truth remains, hearts in chains, enduring strains. Imagine realms where freedom thrives, a world where hope again revives. Live in days of sorrow, forced pregnancies, no tomorrow, tomorrow. In this cycle worn and torn, what hope in a world forlorn? To abstain, to choose with care, to share truth, to be aware.